We're now going to learn a trick called finger through banknote. I've got here is a £5 note, and I'm going to try and make my finger pass through it. I'm going to fold it in half like this, and I'm going to place my finger through the note so you can see it passing through. And if you watch very carefully, as I go 1, 2, 3, I can stand my finger through the note and pull it straight out, but the note is left unharmed. In fact, we'll even take that note, I'll fold it in half, and fold it like this, and I'll hold it and place my finger right through the note. And I'm going to tear it by going 1, 2, 3, and the note is left unharmed. I can show you how this trick works with a little bit of magic and a little bit of skill. The first part is you take the note and you fold it over at about a 45 degree angle. And what this does is it allows the finger to pass through, it allows the finger to go through to the middle of the note and still be visible from going inside. The secret is when I push it through, I'm not really pushing it through. It's an angle discrepancy. By my finger behind it, this finger, I'm bending it at this point so that the fingernails are basically touching each other. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, I simply go straight forward, my finger hits the note and the finger behind it straightens out so that it looks as though it's the same finger that's passing through the note. So I go 1, 2, 3, and now it looks like the finger's passing through the note. I then literally go straight upwards, and as I do so, I curl in this second finger so that it looks like it's the only finger that's gone up. So from the beginning I go 1, 2, 3, and then straight up. And now it looks like the finger passed through the note. And then show the note as being unharmed. For the second stage, I just literally fold the note in half like so, and then literally bring the ends together. There's a reason I'm folding it in half, is to give it a little bit of extra strength for this next move. The finger goes inside the note, and I go 1, 2, 3, and it appears that it goes through, but in fact the note is completely unharmed. What I'm doing is, again, the note's folded, my finger's through. As I come down, I'm literally giving some force so that my finger slides out and comes back down and straightens out. But you can't just do that because you'll end up over here. You've got to direct your arm to go over here so that when it comes down, just hold that, it actually appears underneath the banknote. So if I go 1, 2, 3, it now appears right underneath it where it needs to be. And then you can show the banknote as being cleared. The good main thing to remember is that I'm keeping one finger here to keep the gap, to keep the note nice and clean and crisp, and I'm squeezing it quite tightly so that it doesn't fall out of my grip. I'm going to go at it with some force, so that squeezing is important because when I do hit the note, because that's what I'm actually doing, it slides around and flicks around so fast, you don't want that to happen. So I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and it appears to go right through the note, and I'm going to show it clear. And that's the finger through banknote. Hope you enjoy it.